it is summertime and I wanted to make for you guys a light, fluffy, delicious vegan dessert. So we are going to make the fluffiest, lightest lemon cake you've ever had, and it's going to be vegan. So let's go. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your homemaking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So we are working with some vegan recipes, and I hadn't done a lemon cake yet, and lemon is just beautiful and perfect for pretty much any time, but especially in the summer. So this is going to be a lemon sponge cake filled with vegan lemon curd and frosted with vegan lemon buttercream. All vegan, all delicious. It's gonna be fun. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Vegetable or canola oil, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, flax, eggs, lemon, nut milk, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. If you haven't made a flax egg before, it is ground up flax meal and hot water, and you want to do that before you start your recipe because you want the flax to have a chance to congeal. Now we're gonna go ahead and cream the oil and the sugar together. I like to use a stand mixer. It makes it go faster. Just put your oil in there and all of your sugar. And just cream it up until it's well combined. So now you want to go ahead and zest your lemons. We're going to add the zest of the lemon into the dry ingredients and the juice of the lemon into the milk, because we're going to kind of make a vegan buttermilk out of that. So I like to use a box grater. You can also use a microplaner, whatever you have to zest a lemon. You just want the outer yellow part of the lemon, not the white part of the inside, because that is the pith, which is very bitter. You don't want that in your cake. Now we're going to combine the dry ingredients together, which is our flour, piles of lemon zest, and baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Just give it a good stir. So now we're going to alternately add the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients into your cake batter, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Now we're going to scrape down the sides, make sure you get all the way to the bottom. We want to make sure everything is combined really well. So kick it up to medium speed for only about 30 seconds because we don't want a chewy, tough cake. And then the batter is finished. We will pour it into our pans and bake it at 350 degrees for approximately 30 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. But what you're looking for is for a toothpick inserted into the center of your cake to come out clean. That's how you know it's done. So now we're going to make a vegan lemon curd. As always, the recipe will be in the description below. Here's everything you will need for the curd. Oat milk, lemons, cornstarch, and granulated sugar. So first you're going to zest one lemon and then juice 2 lemons. Then you will be using a small saucepan to cook your curd in. You will combine the sugar and cornstarch. Go ahead and add in the nut milk and add in the lemon juice and lemon zest. Very last, you're going to cook this on medium-low until it's thick and bubbly, and then you will strain it into a clean bowl, cover it, and put it in the fridge until it sets up. So I have my cakes completely frozen. I have my curd done. I made a quick vegan buttercream. The recipe for that will be in the description below. Super easy. 3 ingredients, it's all you need. Now we're going to color some frosting, trim some cakes, stack them, fill them with the curd, and frost the outside. I'm going for a yellow ombre look up the side of the cake. Super easy, super fun, and I hope you enjoy watching me do it. So there it is, my vegan lemon cake. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, you might also really enjoy this vegan strawberry cake I made right here. Go check it out. A fun and delicious recipe that you need to see. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, we want to hear from you, and hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one.